Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this flower. This is very easy to make. You can use any fabric because this flower doesn't require any burn, melt or singe method. I like to use crepe fabric for this flower because I can clearly see the texture. The size is 2 inches wide and 16 inches long. And then we need 5 pieces of square fabric with the size 2 inches. So let's get started. Fold down to form a triangle like this, and we start a running stitch. From here it will be a little difficult. We stitch the edge together. When we stitch the edge together, it will curve naturally, like this. So keep going until the end. Now gather the fabric. You can look how it curves naturally with a beautiful shape. So we join to form a circle. And stitch to secure. Grab our square fabric and fold it like this, and we stitch a running stitch. Do this to the remaining fabric. Now we tie a tight knot. Attach them together. Now embellish our flower with some pistils or rhinestones. our flower is done. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe.